everyone. You just have 8 more days, means 4 days for first exam, another 7 days, then you have final exam, correct? How much ever you have prepared entire year, that will take on one side, these 8 days will take another side. Because let me tell you, all my dear wonderful students here, these 8 days you will be tempted with all nonsense things, like you feel like eating bel puri, pani puri, masal puri, burger, pizza, everything. You can wait 8 days, that's it. One. Second, this time only, during this 8 days only, lot of movies will come, wonderful movies. You feel like watching those movies in TV. Papa, water break anta bandirtira ಹೊರಗಡೆ, right? Just to drink water, then you'll see your parents are watching that movie. Then you will also slowly come, take that water, slowly sit. ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ movie ಇದು? Huh? You start watching and without your own knowledge, 1.5 hour will go. Now see, I'll tell you the worst thing. It's okay if you want to watch movie, you watch for half an hour. But do you know what is the problem? While watching movie, you are thinking about studies. All the time you'll be watching, you will be seeing your watch, right? Your time ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, time ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. That means you are not enjoying the movie completely, nor you are preparing properly. So 8 days, your movies can wait, your relatives can wait, your games can wait, your food can wait. Because after these 8 days now, you have complete holidays. Don't worry about it. Yes or no? You start agate, okay, that is fine. But I know you'll catch it up. Don't worry about that. But your batch will be remembered in the history, I'm telling you. Everybody is going to remember you guys. You will be called as COVID second wave batch. In spite of that, they wrote. Many people, many states have cancelled examination. Only Karnataka is conducting this examination. Last year also they conducted, this year also. So remember this. You will have a story to tell the future generation. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಾವು 10th ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ I got this much percentage. People will take your story for inspiration. So whenever any difficulty comes, don't blame it. Best opportunity, one. Second best opportunity is what? Marks are compressed. Subjects are compressed. They are brought to what? Huh? You just are writing 2 examination and that to MCQ. 40 marks. And last 1 year of preparation, you can, I'm very sure when you're writing exam, you can really think of what GP sir had told. What your Kusuma ma'am had taught. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ recollect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is why I'm telling you, next 8 days, give your 100% in revising. And the best way to revise is not to read, my dear friends. You will not remember. Again, I'm telling you. Huh? Again, just give me a moment. Your GP sir only is called. Just give me a moment. Okay. Shortly, your GP sir will also join. He is going to tell a little bit about the pattern. He's going to share a little bit about your pattern. On 5-10 minutes, you will get a better clarity. I know already you have practiced, but his advice is always, a plus point. But ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, next 8 days, what I'm expecting is you need to just give me a moment. I'm just sharing that Zoom link to him. Ashar, are you there? Or Sharath? Anybody? Pankaj?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Can you anyone quickly forward him the meeting ID?
Sure, sir.
Fine. Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay. So what I was trying to tell is that in these 8 days, your food can wait, everything can wait. Afterwards, you do well. I'm telling you, right? You are always invited to Roots Institution. Come there. Again, we will throw a pizza party to all of you. Some of you already have enjoyed pizza party here during tables test, yes or no? Right? So, I was just telling you that somehow subjects have been compressed. Nodi, science, math, social, all 3 put together, 40 marks, right? Or individually 40 marks?
Individually 40 marks.
That means 120 marks. How many hours exam?
3 hours.
3 hours.
See, 3 hours, you have to answer 120 question. That means you will get more than 1.5 minutes. per question. Agree? Yes or no? 120 questions, 1.5 minutes. Good enough time, I'm telling you. Aram say first 10 questions to tuck, you will finish in 2 minutes only. And that's what Sinchana was not there that time. See, geography and all in state syllabus, you have to draw the map, right? Now, do you think in MCQ can you draw a map? No. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಯ್ತೀಗ. So you have all these advantages in this difficult time. So students, I'm telling you, next 8 days of sincere efforts in just revising properly, I'm very sure you are going to get best marks. ನೀವೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಿತ್ತ ಅಂತ, right? So Mr. GP is here. Your GP sir is here.
Hello,
I think
sir.
I will.
Hello, sir.
Yes, GP. Please,
Good evening.
please. Good evening. Good evening. See, all wonderful students are here. They are going to write exam in just 4 days. I know some of them are already meeting you regularly. Manoj, Yashwant, they are meeting you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, and all. Right now, I told them to stay at home and read because whatever revisions already I've given.
Mm-hmm. Yes, if little bit you can throw light on the format of the examination,
Okay.
how they can use those 3 hours judiciously, and somehow I want, because see, 120 marks, 40. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ MCQ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. Now we feel
sure.
we have missed
Correct,
this.
sir. Yeah, sir. That's
So
a
over to you.
lucky opportunity. So, good evening, everyone. See,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Root education did not forget you people. That's why that people are calling and we are meeting you. And now all the very best. You have a wonderful opportunity. Don't ever believe to the rumor saying that already you are passed. So what is there to write in the OMR sheet? The OMR sheet irutte. There probably you have to just highlight the correct answers. Make sure you do not repeat or overwrite the answer. See, it is when it comes to the options A, B, C, D, make sure you choose the correct answer. If it is option C is the right answer, in OMR sheet, you have to fill that C part. Okay. Normally, people are very good in filling the O's and A's and all. You people fill it, right? The same way, you have to fill C. You can take the normal blue pen, ball pen. Okay. Don't get confused. Should I take the gel pen or ink pen and all? Normal ball pen is more than enough. You can take it. And at the same time, you people highlight that shading part. See, once you get confused, oh, it is not C, let me do it to the D. Not possible. There is no chance. Earlier, you had a chance where you can scratch the answer and you can rewrite it. But here, you will not have the opportunity to rewrite it. Once you fill the OMR sheet, you will not get any other extra sheet. Ma'am, this scratch madbitte, can I get the new OMR sheet? No, you will not get it. You will get only one sheet. In that only people have to highlight it. And moreover, choose the right answer and do it. If you do it incorrect or wrong, you will not have the opportunity to write it or correct that mistake. That is one. And second thing is, don't wait for the people. Okay, let me wait. Yaradru band last minute al helkodtare. No. Already, though you are passed, everyone you are already passed. But here you have the opportunity to score A+. Okay. Tomorrow when you are going to the, what you call it as college, definitely they will get to know 2021 batch is a Corona pass batch. But only the thing is, you may get that privilege based on the grades. If you get somewhere A+, that means you have to read it and go, and you have to write the maximum correct answer. If you get a A+, then people think a student, that is why the child got A+. Okay, that is very, very important. That's why you have to read and go. When it comes to mathematics, that is the most crucial part, because whenever it comes to the 1 mark, that objective type, you have to calculate quickly and you have to write it. Sometimes what happens, wherever you go to the centers, sometimes there are chances where those teachers may teach you incorrectly. Ali PT teacher ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, they may teach you the same answer thinking that is correct. That may not be correct. So first is your decision. You should read, you should write the correct answer according to your best knowledge. Don't ever try to copy, you will not get it. but before that, read the question. Once you read the question correct, then only it is possible. You people also, what happens if people don't read the questions at all? You know the answer. Yes, fantastic. You know the answer, but you don't know the correct answer. And the last point that I'm going to say is don't copy from your friend or don't copy from the teacher whatever is they may give you the answer. The reason is their question paper will not be the same to everyone. Okay, questions are same. See, the first question, who killed Ravana? For you, that may be the first question. For Manoj, that may be the third question. For Sinchana, that may be the sixth question. You got that point? So the questions will be the same, but that will not be in the same order for everyone. A, B, C, D, different pattern will be there. So for somebody, option A is the answer, means for you, option C will be the answer. There are chances even the questions are 100% it will be jumbled and the options also will be jumbled. So that's why don't try to copy the same option in the OMR sheet what your friend has written. It may be a different answer, different option to you. Okay, so always, even when it comes to the mathematics, carry your complete stationery, your instruments, geometrical instrument. You will have a sheet to where you can practice your working. Based on that, you can also write the answers. Okay, don't ever think that OMR sheet alli madodalva. No. So follow the instructions of the invigilator, whatever it will be given in the examination center. You have to follow that. Nan gottu ella anta bardu. You miss even one number of your hall ticket, your result will be withheld. Okay, write that without overriding. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು. Don't do that. Whatever the hall ticket number is given, take that, write it neatly. Your name also, wherever it has to be highlighted, do it. Follow the instruction of the invigilator. Where you have to sign it, they will tell you. Fill the OMR sheet correctly. Last final word, think before you ink. Otherwise, you will blink. Okay, all the very best for your exam. So do well, and definitely we are there to hear your results. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Patil, sir, for all the opportunity.
Thank you, GP, that in very short notice you made it here. Everyone will be thankful.
Sir, one small addition I thought of putting in because it's very important. We faced this actually, one of my friend in 12th standard, sir, he made this mistake in OMR sheet. This is something like CET, sir, the common entrance test. So what I think everybody has seen this, right? This is the SSLC model OMR.
Yeah, correct.
So, sir, what happened here? My friend, what he did, he thought, okay, third one, okay, first one, second one he got, second one he didn't get. He thought I'll do later. And then he did the fourth option right, which was C, but he started the C from here, third one. So what happened? Fifth answer was D. He put it as fourth D. And the whole paper, sir, was just one skipped. And the entire paper was wrong, although he knew all the answers. So, because these kids are facing for the first time, guys, all of you are facing it for the first time. So please be careful with this. Rest along with whatever GP sir has told. And please take care of this aspect, okay? Of ensuring you double check before, filling the option. Double check the question number as well as the option. All right. So that is what I wanted to share, sir. All the best to you guys. Thank you, sir.
That's what the question number, children. Very, very important. In your question paper, there will be a question number also printed. They may ask you to write that question number on your OMR sheet. If it is second question, you will mark the answer in OMR sheet as number 2 only. If you are answering only for 8, here also you will answer only 8 only. Okay, that question number you will follow. It will be the same order only. 1, 2, 3, 4 antane irutte. Okay, and options also very, very important. That's a valid point. Okay, any doubts, any questions in the question paper pattern or anything? I hope your schools also have already given you enough how to work on these things. They have trained you, I believe. No doubts? Okay, so over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Sharad. Thank you, GP.
Thank you, sir.
So students, I would not say much. We have a lot of hopes on you. 8 days. I told you, right? Little bit. 8 days. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, 8 days ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. Don't get tempted by all the things which I already repeat. I told you once again, correct? Just 8 days. Be yourself calm. No need to worry. And see, as GP sir already told that, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So many people are worried about that thing. This time, this is the best chance for you to score well because they have compressed your subjects. And that too, it is MCQ. That means everybody has been given a wonderful chance to score really, really well. And if you get a better grade, as he said, A+, you're going to get a better college also. That means just 8 days, this is going to help you a lot. So my sincere suggestion to all the students here, 8 days, go out with full confidence, revise, just revise. If ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಸದ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದ್ ನೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And I'm very sure you will really do well in this examination. That we all have faith. And once you do well in exams, once you get results, don't forget to come to Roots. That door is always open, right? And during exams, yargadru baya adre, just before exam, you can call all your mentors, you can call your faculties. Don't hesitate. We will take up your call. Is that fine? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಭಯ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೋ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ, just call us. Is that fine? We are with you in this. You are not, ಈ 8 days ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೂ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. We all will work together. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. My best wishes to each and every student of Roots. You guys are the first batch of Roots. I hope you will go and carve that name. Yes or no? And we will be really proud and we'll remember.
Yes.
And we are going to tell your story to all the future students. COVID batch, first batch namdu, avare sakataagi madidru anta. You started with COVID, you are ending with COVID. Yes or no? COVID first wave you started, COVID second wave you are ending. Yours will be the most remembered batch, I'm telling you. Fine? All the best, students. Take care.
Thank you.
All the best to all.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.